Hello, my name is Tom Stiles, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show number 219. What I'm going to attempt to do tonight is some more reception testing on the Tecsun PL-380. And tonight, I'm going to put it up against we put it around here, the CountyComm. This was donated to me, and it's model GP-5DSP. And this radio, I think, is basically a Tecsun, I think, model 390, and they got their name put on it, and they're selling it. And it sells for about $45, and this one is on sale right now for about $45. So what I'm going to attempt to do using the internal whip antennas is try to get them to both scan using the ETM function on the shortwave band and see what they find. So here we go. I got them both turned on. I'm going to press ETM on both of them, hopefully at the same time. Go. And they're off. They're scanning the whole shortwave band. Now, one thing I've noticed is they're not scanning the band continuous from, I think it's 2.3 to 17 point something megahertz, or maybe in the case of one, it's 29 megahertz. It's not continuous. It's the meter bands, the international meter bands, like 49 meters, 41 meters. So it has gaps in there when it does the scan. This one seems right now to be considerably ahead of the PL-380. Now, I don't know if that's because I didn't get them started at the same time, or this one is actually scanning faster. It might be it's skipping more bands or something like that. Not sure. Not important. But it does take quite a while. I think it's about 3 to 5 minutes for them to do the complete scan of the shortwave band. So we're up to a count of 19, and this one has only found 6. The antennas, the antenna for the PL-380 is maybe a couple inches longer than the GP-5DSP or PL-390. And this one's got 20 stations it found. This one has only found 8. Of course, this one is further along. This one's at about 15 megahertz, and this is at 9.5 megahertz. I think this one's about to finish up. Forgot how high it goes. We'll see. It's up to 18 megahertz, 19 megahertz, 21, 21.6, 21.7, 21.95. That's where it goes, and it is complete. It got 19 hits, I call it. And this is up to 12 megahertz. And I really think this one went faster, maybe not. And basically, these two have the same functions. This has the touchpad for direct tuning. This one does not. And that touchpad really comes in handy if you want to get to a frequency right away. So this one's up to 15 megahertz now, and it's found 8.
There's a message for you.
I don't think it's going to find as many as the other one did. Okay, it just did one of those jumps for the next meter band. It jumped up to 17.5. And that's typical of most of these radios, is when it does the ETM function or the ATS function, it's just jumping through the meter bands, not the entire spectrum. Okay, it's up to 21.4. It'll probably finish same place this one did, which I think is 21.95. Shall see. Just about there. Yep. Okay. This one was working on number 8, so it only found 7. Let's see what this tells me. This doesn't give me a ET channel number, so I can't tell. I think I said it was about up to 20. So let's go to the lowest one. Is excuse me, 3.215, and let's go to the lowest one on this one. Which is 5.81. Let's turn it up, see if we got anything there besides noise. Oops, wrong button. Noise. Okay, we'll go up another one. Oops, so it's the wrong way. Okay, that's 5.025. This one didn't appear to get that because its first one is 5.810. So this one got that. This one did not. I gotta keep score on a piece of paper here. Let me use my piece of paper that I used to tell me what show this is. And we'll give this guy a hit. And we'll go to the next one. Oop, okay, 5.810, 5.810. We turn this down. Turn this one up. Okay, they both got something. Turn that back down. So this one gets a hit, and this gets a hit. All right, we'll go to the next one. See if there's anything there. Nothing there. Well, yeah. Coming and going. 5.830. There it is. Okay, let's turn this down. Let's go to the next one on this one. Okay, the next one on this one is 5.920, so it didn't get a 5.8. So that's another hit for this one. And another miss on that one. So let's see what the next one is on this one. 5.960. This one's got one at 5.920. And let's see if there's a station there. Yeah. Okay, so this one gets a hit, and that one does not. So we got 5960. Let's see if we got a 5960. Nope. So that one gets a hit. And that's got one at 599. They both have one at 599. So they both get a hit. I don't know if I'm counting this right or not. They get a hit. So let's go to the next one. 6. There's down. 6. They both get a hit. 6.020. No. So this one gets a hit. This one does not. The next one on this one is 655. No, I got a 6.30. See if anything's there. Yeah. Okay. So this gets another hit. This is at 655. Let's see if we get there yet. 655. So they both get a hit. Go to the next one. 6.06. Wrong way. Nope. So we got a hit there. No hit there. That said 7.335. Well, that's coming in good. 6.055. Oh, no, I went the wrong way. 6.09. No, 6.09. Another hit. 7.335, both of them. And it's noise. So I call that a hit on both of them, but it's not real, so won't count it. 7.365. Got it on both of them. So they both get a hit. Okay. 7.645. But lots of noise. Let's see what this one says. Nope. No, I went the wrong way. I lost my place. Yeah, I did. Okay. They both have that. This is, I can hear something on that one. Yeah. I can hear it better on this one, but it's there in that one. So I'm going to give this one the credit for that one, even though this one hit it. I don't know if that's fair or not. I don't know. $7.475. Okay, I'm done here. Okay, that one, there's something there. Let me turn this one down. Okay, we turn that one down since it's got all its stations. So that's another hit. Not very good, but it's a hit. 7.465. Oops, I went the wrong way. 9.535. Why didn't that get that? That's pretty strong. It's another hit. 9.570. Another hit. Head gum. 9.965. Noise. 12.0. Nothing. That's it. Okay, let me turn the volume down. Okay, if I counted right, and I think I made a few mistakes. This guy got 7 stations, and this guy got 14 stations. This one got twice as many as that one. I don't know if that's real or not. So I'm going to take the time to do it again, and I'm going to switch positions. I'll switch this guy over here and this guy over here, and we'll get ready, and we will push and push and push. That one's got a head start because I can't hit this button without my... There. Boy, my fat finger just doesn't want to push those buttons. So we're doing another run. We swapped the radios around. Matter of fact, I'm going to move them over a little bit to get them back in view. So they're back approximately the opposite positions. This one got a way head start because I couldn't get this one to start because I couldn't get my fat little finger on the button. But this again is using the ETM, the Easy Tune function on both radios. Like I say, I think Tecsun, or maybe even whoever makes Tecsun radios, makes both of these radios. Even though this was supplied by CountyComm as a donation, and it has their name on it and their part number. And just kind of looking at the dial, it does seem like this is clicking over faster than this one. So possibly it is scanning faster. This is found 11 stations, and this is found 9. So this, even though it's behind on the frequency, it's got more hits. Okay, it's found, I said 11 before, it's really displaying the number of the next one. So it had found 11, now it's found 12. So maybe that position difference it will account for the big difference in the test results from the previous test. It's obvious none of this is scientific. Maybe it's science fiction. Now this has only got 8 hits, and this has got 12. And this one's finished. This one finished. It had 8 hits. Considerably different than the 20-some I had before. This one's got 13 hits, and it's up to 12 megahertz. Almost like they're going to swap from the number of hits just because I swapped the location on my table. Wouldn't that be interesting? Again, they're using internal antennas, shortwave bands, up to 15 megahertz now. It's got 13 hits. And I'm going to need another piece of paper to keep score on because I filled this one up. Keep this one aside here. My new piece of paper. Okay, we're up to 17 megahertz. So we're getting there. And we're up to 20 minutes on my recording, which means about 6 hours of uploading time to YouTube. Okay, we're almost there. 21.5 megahertz and counting. We have to go to, what was it, 21.95? Almost there. We're at 13 hits. Done. Okay, since this one got the highest number of hits, I'll start with it. We'll start with the lowest one, which was, I'm going the wrong way, of course. Oops. Okay, so the lowest one is 5.025. And there's a station. Okay, try this one. Turn it the right way here. Okay, it's 58.10. So it's a miss there on the 5.025. So we'll give this one, the 380, a hit. And it didn't get that one, so this one did not get a hit. So no hit. We'll go up to the next one. Or down. No, 5.810, 5.810. They both got that. There's a station there, which we had before. Station there. Okay, so they both get a hit on that one. Go to the next one. 5910. There's a hit. You probably can't hear us too well on my lousy webcam audio, but I just have to take my word for it. Okay, we got a 5910. Let's see if we get a 5910 here. Turn it the right way, it would help. Nope, no hit. So that gets a hit. That doesn't get a hit. We got a 600 here. Yep, 600 there. Good station. Good station. Both got hits. Okay, next one. 6030. 6030. Both got a good station. Both get hits. 6060. 6060. Both have a station. Both get a hit. 6090. No 6090. So this one gets a hit. This one does not. So this has got 7.365 for this next one. 6175. Didn't get it. Another hit. And there is a station there. 7325. Weak, but there's a station there. Another hit for this guy. Not for this guy. We're looking for 7365. There it is. High-pitched sound on that, but it's coming through. So we'll give them both a hit. And we'll see what the next one is. 9265. Another miss. 9265. There's something there. Trust me. This was at 9570, so we got to give this guy a hit. And we'll try one more. 9490. Another hit. This one didn't get. Moving right along. 1200. So this one, okay, this one got 9570, and there's a station there, so he gets a hit. Well, this one didn't get it. This is at 1200. 9965. Noise, there's nothing there. Okay, we'll keep going. That's it. That's it for that guy. And that's it for that guy. So, on this run, the 380 got 1012, and this guy got 5.6. Now, isn't that interesting? Let me see if I can put this on here. Okay, I've got them reversed too. The first test, I had these swapped. So this radio here got 14 hits, 14 stations, and this one, the 380, got 7. On the second test, where I swapped the two radios, the 380 now got 12, and this guy only got 6. Almost a dead draw. And it seemed to be a function of where the radios were, you know, and we're only talking maybe 5 inches difference. So my conclusion is the reception using the ETM function for these two radios are the same. And it also points out for this limited test of 1, that swapping just that little distance makes a big difference on the reception. So that's the show for today. Thanks for watching. Gosh, it's 27 minutes. It'll take me 8 hours to get this uploaded. Thanks for watching again. Bye-bye. Wow, 20.